Today, the Center for COVID-19 Situation Administration recorded 144 coronavirus-related deaths and 13,798 new COVID-19 cases. Since April 1st, in the latest and most severe wave of the virus in Thailand, the CCSA has recorded 1,391,477 confirmed COVID-19 cases. Out of the new cases reported today, 1,208 were detected through proactive testing, and 451 were found in correctional facilities. In the past several months, more than 40,000 inmates at Thailand's overcrowded prisons and detention centers have tested positive for COVID-19. The daily fatality count is still fairly high, but a decline after hitting the high 200s earlier this month. Most of the fatalities involve those with underlying conditions, and officials say the number of COVID-related deaths involving pregnant women is high, and women who are expecting children should get vaccinated. In the 24-hour period since the last count, the CCSA has recorded 14,133 recoveries. There are now 128,546 people being treated for the coronavirus in Thailand. The number of active cases is on a downward slope as Thai officials are carefully monitoring the situation to determine if disease control measures should be eased at the end of the month. Many of the new COVID-19 clusters are said to be linked to funerals, and the public is advised to continue to practice disease control measures, like wearing a face mask and social distancing. The current restrictions and color-coded zoning based on COVID-19 infection rates will be in place until September 30th. The restrictions are still tight in provinces classified as dark red zones under maximum and strict control, with a stay-at-home order from 9 p.m. to 4 a.m., as well as a limit on gatherings to no more than 25 people. The measures imposed by the COVID task force also bans alcohol sales and consumption at restaurants in dark red, and orange zones. Under the nationwide emergency decree, provincial governments can impose additional disease control measures based on the local COVID-19 situation. And that wraps up the COVID-19 update. For more news on Thailand, go to thetiger.com.